I remember the first time I had a bite of Mt Tam cheese. I was in Point Reyes, California. I took a bite and it stopped me. It reminded me so much of growing up on a dairy farm and the cheese that my mama used to make me. Hola, this is Molly Mama. Delighted that you're here today, and I'm going to be telling you about my favorite cheese on the planet. It's Mt Tam from Cowgirl Creamery. So I'm going to be making my mango salsa today. I've tried that, and it's a really good pairing with this just cheese that has so much heart and is such perfection. And it has serranos and jalapenos and limes and purple onion and cilantro, and it's very delicious. And when you pair this mango salsa with this cheese, it is completely next level. It's a celebration of cheese, of being alive, just enjoying amazing food from a cheesemaker that is full of love and full of heart, and you can definitely taste it in this Mt Tam cheese. All right, here we are with our mango salsa with the Mt Tam cheese. I prepared a few on some crackers. It's so delicious. Normally I would take a bite on camera, but I'm probably gonna lose control and eat them all because they're so yummy. All right, I know you're gonna love this cheese. Give it a try, and if you wanna pair it with something really fun, try our mango salsa. I think you'll love it. You can find Cowgirl Creamery's Mt Tam cheese at Whole Foods. Be well, be safe, and as my mother always said to me as we said our goodbyes, que Dios te bendiga.